Okay, so we've got this reinspection report, and we want to create like a Google Doc or a Word doc. Don't worry about any of this documentation stuff. Um, that stuff doesn't, I got that taken care of. For this particular one, we need the roof stuff. And then we need this stuff here. Oops. And then we got the stuff on the second page. So this is the stuff that we need. So let's do an easy one. 22, not repaired. Okay, so we go to the initial inspection response, and you see here, sometimes he talks about item 5, item 6, item 7, but sometimes he says like 22. So he's talking about this. Unit 4 damaged wall under the sink and bathroom, the floor. So we want to copy and we want to paste that. Then we want to go to the inspection report and see if there's any information on that. So, okay, this is Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 3. See, in the notes, okay, now we got Unit 4. Okay, bingo. So we want to see if there's any pictures or anything like that. Okay, so it's this picture right here. So we want to take that picture. Well, I don't know if we can take that picture. If you can do, maybe you can do a screenshot. So like I can do, take a screenshot, and then I can paste it in like that. That's what we need to do. So like really what I'm looking for is just to have one document with everything in it and have all the necessary information, pictures, any details, anything like that, all in one place. That way my guys can print this out, I can send it to them on text and email. They have it. It's very clear, and they can knock out the work.